What's cool YouTube, is your boy with Forex, and we're back with a new video. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I got this beautiful sell on NZDJPY using my beautiful brilliant strategy. So by the way, I trade Falcon, and I'm going to show you how I apply the Falcon strategy to work for me effectively trading NZDJPY. So without any further ado, just get straight to the video. So we're going to be starting with the weekly time frame. So what I do is I use a top-down analysis when I'm analyzing, right? So we start from the weekly, we look for the highest highs, right? And at this point it was there, and then you look for our lowest lows. So these two areas are really important. And then we'll go to the daily time frame. As you can see on the daily time frame, what happened, price reached this point, right? Reached this area, and we knew what was happening here. We were waiting for the market to do what we call market psychology, and then price pushes back to structure, and then you can make better informed decision on how to approach this trade. So the market went out, and then we relaxed a bit, and then wait for it to come back. It's called my psychology. Others may call it with other names using different strategies, but with my strategy we call it my psychology. And most of the time when we wait for this, the trade usually becomes high quality than taking the trade outside. So we need to take it inside the double top, not outside the double top, right? So right now we're back in structure. As you can see, price just gave us a beautiful momentum push back to the downside, right? And then as price was back inside, so what do I use for the entry? I use the correction, right? So what happened here, we got a momentum push back to structure, and then we got our correction, right? So I entered on the 15-minute time frame on this flag right here, and I entered with a sell limit I think around there, and then my stop loss was around 18 pips if I'm not mistaken, right? So right now the trade is done here, and it hit my take profit over there. So this wasn't a difficult trade, right? Just that the trick is for you guys to be able to find these value areas, and then you have a higher chance of making a good decision for the trade, because once you find the value areas, it is much more easier to determine the market direction, because we all know that this is a double top. What happens if it's a double top? We're expecting price to go down, but then the trick is what has to happen for price to go down. We need we need the mass psychology first, because if price would have just turned here, we would have known that price somehow will come back here and then do what, and then go down. And we can also see this way, as you can see this pattern over here, where this 1 2 3 pattern there. So some of you all maybe might have traded this sell because they saw that this is just the 1 2 3, and then they sold, but then price went up. It is because we was waiting to fill this gap, because at that moment there was a gap which was there to be filled, and there was no my psychology yet. So as you can see, I saw some people here on Instagram, they took a sell here and they got a loss, and they were saying it was a good trade. People trading my strategy, by the way. But then people trade it there different ways. There's a lot of ways to trade the Falcon strategy, but then I think something that we need to be consistent on in the Falcon strategy is how we analyze in the high time frame. I think that is usually a non-negotiable, in as much as we do take different trades and approach the market differently, but then the high time frame should be absolutely the same, yeah, well, most of the time. And if you can look, we also have this ascending channel, which we don't use that much in Falcon, but then it was an added bonus to this NZD-JPY trade, because you see with the double top we got, right, we also have this 1 2 3, right? So now we have two confluences, and then already we have the push down, which is the signal that price is ready now to be sold. And then on the lower time frame, and then we take our entries over there, right? And then yeah, NJ, my trade hit take profit, which is I made good amounts of money there. So yeah, and as for proof, sorry, I almost forgot, I need to send the proof. I also need to show you the proof that I did. I did look, and I was looking at this one. So when was this? Okay guys, so here is the AJP. No, it's not this one, the NZD-JPY, right? I think I'm far away now, so can you please be patient with me? So this is the analysis I usually send on my mentorship, right? So okay guys, so this is my mentorship server, very cool, 11 members right there. So as you can see, I identified the double top with the ascending channel as well, just like what I explained. So it's there, the 1 2 3, and then push back to structure, and then the correction was in there yet, and then here it was forming. I also told the people in the group that this is the best setup so far, because February was very slow. So I sent before we took the trade, and then the trade was executed. As you can see, this was the progress of the trade. Yeah, I think I sent this in the morning today, so the trade moved down. So this is the server, guys, a very good server. Like we share the analysis here, like there's a lot of things, but then I think I'm gonna make a different video about my mentorship later. But then if you are interested being part of the team here, you can DM me on WhatsApp. The links are gonna be below the description of the video. So we are gonna just tap the Telegram channel link, and then inside that Telegram channel there's gonna be my number, which is also going to be a link. So you're just gonna tap that link, and then you're gonna be sent straight to my WhatsApp business, so you can inquire on my mentorship, right, on how to get in and ask me a few questions about it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's like a very big like server. As you can see, there's a lot here, and yeah, there's a lot we do here, and we also make good amounts of profits. As you can see, these are the members right here. Morning blues, deep blues, like yo, deep blues, so deep blues. So guys, like everyone is doing the most right here in the server. You see, every time deep blues. So not like every time, but most of the time, because we know what we're doing. So in this server, I only post I only teach legitimate and high value content, crisp content for everyone. Yeah, so that's gonna be a different video. So if you want that, feel free to hit me up, and then we can talk about it. And also I'm planning on having signals, right, as well. So if you're also interested in that, I will see by the DMs. If people are interested in the signals, I can also provide, but then they're going to be cheaper than the mentorship, because it's just signals. But then the mentorship is usually like the greatest investment. Yeah, but then depends on your pocket. But then yeah, that was just evident of this one, because some people may be like, what if you just put the tool just there? No, I didn't. The trade was sent. So here it is before it happened, and took the trade, and then the progress of the trade here, and then people are just reacting, and then here it is. So I think that was it for today's video, And if you like these videos, please can you just engage, comment, and share your views as well. And yeah, I'm gonna continue dropping this beautiful content for you guys. And yeah, and I think I'm also enjoying posting technical content, you know what I'm saying. Like, please engage with me. I want a lot of comments, a lot of likes in this video, and then I'll continue every trade I take, even win or loss, but then I'm just gonna describe how I came about the trade. So thanks for having me, guys. See you on the next video.